In today's video, I will teach you how to use range masks in Lightroom. Let's get started. Range masks in Lightroom allow you to make precise selective adjustments to specific areas of your image based on color or luminance. This tool is particularly useful for fine-tuning edits like enhancing a particular color or adjusting exposure in specific tonal areas. And to use range mask in Lightroom, choose the photo that you want to edit in the Develop module. Then use one of the following tools to apply a mask. You can use a graduated filter for linear adjustments across the image, or a radial filter for circular or oval-shaped adjustments. And you can use the adjustment brush for freehand adjustments. After applying the mask, you can adjust the settings like exposure, contrast, and saturation to see the effect on your selected area. Now here's how to use the color range mask. First is select the color range. To do this, click the eyedropper tool that appears next to the color range mask. Then click on the area of the image containing the color that you want to adjust. And you can also drag the eyedropper to select multiple colors or click and hold to sample a range of colors. Now, use the amount slider to refine your selection. Moving it to the left narrows the range of colors, while moving it to the right broadens the range of colors. And to use the luminance range mask, simply use the two sliders under the luminance range to define the tonal range affected by the mask. The left slider controls the shadow, and the right slider controls the highlights. Now use the smoothness slider to adjust the transition between affected and unaffected areas. A higher value results in a softer transition, while a lower value makes it more abrupt. Range masks in Lightroom provide powerful, precise control over your edits, allowing you to target specific areas based on color or brightness. By mastering this tool, you can elevate your photo editing, making more nuanced and professional adjustments with ease. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.